How to sign up Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign up. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now here, you can log in through different methods. So it's better you use it because later you can easily connect it with your Google account. So tap on continue with Google. Now here, you can select the account you want to log in with. So here, I'm adding one. So it will take some time. And after continuing it, it will automatically detect the Google account and connect it with it. Later, all your history and all the searches you do in Perplexity will be saved. Now you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you